Let's crochet this keychain, butterfly keychain. How to make a magic ring? The yarn over the finger. Now the hook under the yarn and make a loop. Now 4 chain. One double crochet in the ring. Now 2 chain, 2 double crochet, two chain, 2 double crochet, keep going. Pull to tight the magic ring. We have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 2 chain, a slip stitch, one and 2 slip stitch, 3 chain, 2 double crochet. Work in this space. Now we have 3 stitch, 3 chain, same space, 3 double crochet. Next space, 3 double crochet, three chain, same space, 3 double crochet, next space and repeat the pattern. Keep going. Last stitch, make a slip stitch, one chain and cut the yarn. Pull to tight. We have 8. Now change the color. Make a loop. Now 1 chain, next space, 5 double crochet. Now 1 treble crochet, 3 chain, make a slip stitch, same space 5 double crochet, next space 1 single crochet, next repeat the pattern, 5 double crochet, one treble crochet, 3 chain, make a slip stitch, same space 5 double crochet, next 1 single crochet, keep going, make a slip stitch, 1 chain and cut the yarn. We have 8 petals. Now make chains. Ten chain, go to the second chain and make slip stitch. We have 9 slip stitch. Again 10 chain, go to the second chain and make slip stitch. Keep going, we have 9 slip stitch. Slip stitch, 1 chain and cut the yarn. Hide the yarn in the back. Shape the butterfly. Happy crocheting! Please subscribe my channel How to Crochet It. Hit the like, share and leave a comment. Did you like the butterfly keychain from here and have you crocheted it before? Please answer in the comments.